be this? What be this? Jesus.
The man, he go beat that guy. Your brother begged for you.
Tini!
This is day 10, oh.
It's a lie.
Mama Onome, please bring cold sobo now.
This is plain.
I'm still tired from the journey.
Continue.
Journey from where?
Exactly.
They have been here 10 days now.
No
No one has swept the compound.
Before,
or
uncle?
even for small sachet water.
Here is God, oh.
And I wanted to ask for another drink.
Will you keep quiet?
Oko Wadioma. Apparently, are you now counting our steps? Tell me, please, I'm going outside.
Hey, yeah.
He that is funding this in-law resort with no tents.
Sorry.
Not too much.
Mama Onome.
Okay.
Now you they enjoy all these days, so
Before, uncle.
with plenty people for your house.
Okay.
Mama Towoju. No vex. Them they disturb at their
Wahala.
noise. Yes, so
I'm a
I
review
know the
coaster.
new style they look for you.
Okay.
Ask you say, them don't know say you get neighbors.
Abi?
I follow tire. They
Daddy.
don't chop all the food when my husband leave me for the 1 month when he go there away. 10 days now, I don't know when they go come up.
Jesus is Lord.
You self no enjoy am. You want me then go? I swear God.
Okay.
Now that one you no tell me since. Make I give you one sure plug. Tell them say, I won't come cut light tomorrow
Okay.
for 2 weeks. With water ball. Okay. Hey, uncles, auntie. I say make I quickly go make Neighbour for my top with this light.
Okay.
Because Neighbour just dey begin waka around now tell us say tomorrow morning they come cut lights
Oh,
for
better.
2 weeks.
Continue.
Including waterboard. And this our street, we no even get well. Chai!
I'm a review coaster.
It is that.
Wetin happen?
Just the day.
No, I wan go.
Before, uncle?
Wait now, make I make the eba first. Another time, our wife, you do well. Hmm? But
Quiet.
we need to go now. Emergency at the family house. Okay. I go tell my husband say, una don go.
Correct.
Sorry, oh.
Washere.
Mama Towoju, I don't see them dey go. Now why I come? There is peace in strategy.
Check out our site. Our socials for all series running this week. It hot.